Hi, my name is David P. Shapiro. I'm the owner and managing partner of the law office of David P. Shapiro, located in San Diego, California, where my firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. In this video, I want to talk to you about something you should be wary of if you come across a criminal defense lawyer and they start talking about giving you a COVID discount on your fees. So let's think about that for a second. I had someone talk to us the other day and they said, hey, can you give me a COVID discount? And I'm like, what are you talking about? They're like, well, some other law firms I talked to, they said that, they normally would charge $5,000, but they take my case for $1,500 as a COVID discount. And I asked them, I said, oh, that's interesting. So I told the potential client, I go, did they say what they're not going to do? That they're shaving 2.5, 3 times off the price. And the potential client thought about that for a second and really didn't have an answer. So listen, we are all about obviously helping out people when, finances are an issue, right? If there's a will to work together, we rarely will let finances prevent my firm from representing people who want to work with us and when we want to work with them. But, you really want to protect yourself out there if you're looking, for a law firm that's going to shave off that much of a fee and talk about a COVID discount, because you have to ask yourself and really press that other law firm. What are they giving out? What are they leaving out? What are they, giving up doing? Why are they doing that? Are they going to give that much less of an effort? Are they going to just stack up on these $1,500 cases and not necessarily represent you with the same passion, with the same preparation, with the same level of commitment as they would if they were charging you what is a fair fee, assuming that amount is a fair fee? So you want to keep that in mind when you hear law firms start talking about COVID discounts and all that type of stuff. And you also want to figure out, when you're talking to a law firm, if they quote you a really high fee and then they start working off at it, right? Like you're at, like those TV commercials, like at a car dealership, well, it's going to be $10,000. Okay, well, if you do it today, it's going to be $6,000. And okay, let's do it for $6,200. And it's all that back and forth. And you're able to shave off 20, 30, 40% of what that law firm's initial fee is. Well, two things. One, great for you, right? Because you're a good negotiator. Two, bad for you if you hire that firm because you just out negotiated the firm that arguably may be negotiating your freedom, arguably may be negotiating your reputation, arguably may be negotiating, your prospective employment. And everything that goes on in a criminal case will be the one representing you. And what type of negotiator are they if they're getting out negotiated with their money, with their business? How are they going to be when it comes time to representing you? So I hope you find this video useful when you're going through, obviously, interviewing criminal defense law firms to determine which one is the best for you. Be wary of the COVID discount. Be wary of firms that you're able to shave off, 20, 30, 40% off their initial fee. There's usually a reason why, and I can all but guarantee you that reason is not to your benefit. So if you have any questions about your criminal case, particularly in San Diego, feel free to reach out to my firm, 619-295-3555.